Hi, this is Tyler with TC Brothers, and today we're talking throttles. If you're looking to clean up the handlebar area on your motorcycle, I highly recommend you take a look at these TC Brothers throttle tube assemblies. On Harley Davidson models, there's a large stock clamshell switch housing that usually is integrated into your throttle assembly. If you don't like the looks of that and you want to eliminate it altogether, these do exactly that. They come with numerous screw-in ferrule styles for all the different Harley Davidson cables that were either threaded or push-in type. And they're available in either single pull or double pull configurations based on what year bike you have. Another nice thing about them is they come in two finishes. You can get them either black or a nice reflective polished finish. And thirdly, a major advantage of these is the throttle tubes themselves. These can actually be bought individually. These are CNC machined billet aluminum, and they allow you to use replaceable rubber grips. Your OEM throttle and grip on your stock Harley Davidson is most likely a one-piece unit because the grip itself is glued to the plastic throttle tube. These billet aluminum units are more durable and allows for easy grip replacement. Also, a great feature of these is we also make them in 7/8 inch diameter for you metric guys. So if you want to find more information about these and any of the other products that we sell, you can do that by visiting our website, tcbros.com.